of not believing in the only one that God has sent to die for their sin. The Holy Spirit's with everyone, trying to convince them to receive Jesus, bringing obnoxious Christians into their lives to be a light and a witness so that they would receive him. So now the Holy Spirit, instead of being with them, is now inside of them. And now that they're inside of them, according to Ephesians 1:13 and 14 and 2 Corinthians 1:21 and 22, you're now sealed with the Holy Spirit of promise. You now have the opportunity for the Holy Spirit to be released at your asking, overflowing upon, to be baptized with, to be infilled, to be filled. This asking will release the power of the Holy Spirit in your life to be a witness. And so John is going to baptize with water. Jesus is going to baptize you with the Holy Spirit when you receive him. We'll get more into that in chapter 7. People are always asking, is that a second infilling? I mean, is there a baptism of the Holy Spirit that goes along with just receiving Jesus and having the Holy Spirit? I would submit to you right now, I don't care what you call it, baptism of the Holy Spirit, the infilling of the Holy Spirit. Well, we're going to find out when we get to chapter 7. The question is what we just read in chapter 7 of John, is that the way the Holy Spirit is in your life? That torrents of living water are coming out? That you're able to be a light and a witness? If not, that doesn't mean you're not a Christian. But what it does mean is that maybe you need to ask for that overflowing to take place. Just so you know, I don't think there's a day that goes by that I don't ask for that. Before I get up here, on that last worship song, I'm going, okay, Lord, infill me, overflowing, inflow. I have come up here before without praying that. I have gone through like 5-10 minutes and I'm going, man, I'm really struggling here. Oh, I didn't really ask. And so in my mind, I'm asking, help me out, bail me out, Lord. Help me out here. Let this flow, you know. And so people go, do you have to come? Do you have to lay hands on? I'll lay hands on anyone and pray for that. Why not?